Chris is still asleep, so I thought I would try and get a quick little camcorder video in while it's working, just in case it dies again. Today we're going to go on a cruise, half-day cruise to Whitsunday Island, I think it's called, to Whitehaven Beach. It's a beautiful morning, hopefully it is a beautiful day.
Good morning. It is day 5. From my perspective, we are going on a cruise today, and I feel like the camcorder has definitely died, but you never know. So I'm ready to go. Interesting. More big breakfast. Ryan's being sun safe, putting on his sunscreen. Not sponsored, but could be. We just went to this cafe and this cheese and bacon scroll. And I had the marina muffin, which was like egg, bacon, cheese, barbecue sauce. It was very dry. But that's okay, we're about to go on the boat, which will be here very soon. And we'll be there for a few hours, so I'm excited.
So we have to get on these barges to get across to the island. Good.
Oh, gorgeous. I'm not a beach girl, okay? I'm not. So the fact that I have so much sand on me, like, is very strong. Ooh. Anyway, we're here for another hour. We found the very small patch of shade that isn't taken. Okay, here's Ryan.
There on Whitehaven Beach, we are listening to some R&B. Water, essential.
Ellie Beach. Heart of the reef.
Heart of the reef, that's where we are.
Shuttle, go home, have some lunch.
Okay, so Chris is relaxing. We just got back from our cruise to Whitsunday Island over there. It was amazing.
What the fuck? That rainbow is so crazy. Look at it, it's just sitting.
It's still recording.
Okay.
This is wild. Are we back? Are we back, baby?
End of day 5. Been watching Real Housewives of Atlanta for like the past few hours, just chilling. And here is Ryan. And there's me in the mirror, in the glass. What did you think of the cruise today?
It was amazing.
Yeah.
Liked it. It was really good. The weather was perfect.
Perfect weather.
Well, it was choppy on the water.
Very windy. Which you would have enjoyed a bit of content of us getting spritzed by the ocean, by the Moana. And yeah, we had lunch here. And now we're just gonna have a chill night and yeah, enjoy our last day tomorrow. So we'll catch you tomorrow for day 5.
Day 6.
Day 6. What the fuck?
And hopefully the camcorder stays alive.
Hopefully. Yes, as you will have seen in the in the quality of the content, there's yeah, she's been in and out of action. So hopefully we'll get at least another good day with her tomorrow, before we leave this mystery island. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Always my nose.